Hey guys, here's a super quick tip that I actually picked up from somebody else on YouTube, but I wanted to share it with you just in case. So I've got some dishes here that are going to wind up in my RV. And of course, one of the problems with using, porcelain dishes is that they have a tendency to rattle, kind of like that. Okay, so here's what I did. I took clear silicone and ran a bead all the way around the edge here, and now look what happens when you stack them. No more rattling. How cool is that? So, and I did check. I used Gorilla Glue, clear silicone, which comes in a tube like this. And I Googled, and it is food safe in limited exposure. So I'm not really concerned about causing a problem by having silicone in contact with the plates while they're stacked, because I think that'll have very little influence on the amount of silicone that will be in contact with food. I think it's going to be fine. But I got to tell you, I am super excited about non-rattling dishes. So just thought I'd share that with you. Hope you enjoyed that quick little tip, and we'll see you next time. Hey, thanks for hanging out with me. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I'd appreciate it if you subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, and always remember to sally forth, live your best life, go out and adventure in whatever way works for you.